Hello lovelies, this is Megan from Little Hot Tamale, and today I'm going to share my Caturday collection! If you didn't catch that, it was Caturday. So anyway, there are pocket letter cards, 3x4 cards, paper, and elements. So let's jump into this. Alright, so there are 18 pocket letter cards. So they're 2.5 by 3.5. So if you're not into pocket letter mail, that is okay. You can use it in your junk journals or your scrapbook layouts. So we have a cute little feather and a little cat and a flower wreath or floral wreath. Now, the girls on Facebook decided on this card. This is the one that won. There was also one that had a little opening here and he had a little flower crown. But both of them were super cute. But this is the one that won, so thank you, girls, for choosing. And then it says Precious in the background. You can put a photo here or do a little bit of embellishing. We have the little kitty cat duo. I feel like they're on a date, like a party. And you can't really see this on camera, but in the background there are little dots, little polka dots or stippling. It's really cute. Or you can cut out the frames and use those as embellishments. You've got to be kitten me and meow. This also has a little polka dot background, well, right here on the meow. We have a little cloud scene. I think that's really appropriate for the little cat that's floating up into the sky. We have cute gradients, geometric shapes. This also has a little polka dot background. It says perfect in every way with this little crown. And then we have the little bird. For a Polaroid, you can also cut out this background, make it a window. You can put it as a shaker pocket, or you can put a photo behind it. And then you have your mice and the little mouse toy. So these are the pocket letter cards. Then you have the matching 3x4 cards. It's just the same cards, but larger. Super cute. I also love this pattern. Alright. Okay, so this is the paper for the collection. We have a fun confetti background. It has a nice white background, so it's neutral. So like, for example, for layering, it's just perfect. Alright, and then we had the little cats. There's like a bow, he has a candy heart, the one with the balloon. I love this one so much that I also included one with a pink background. I think these would be great for little journals. So take about like this much, and then you can have the top section for your scrapbook layouts. And this is my absolute favorite paper of the entire collection. I love badges and pins, that kind of stuff. So I thought, wait a second, there's a truck. So like I said, this is my favorite one. It reminds me of pins and badges and that kind of thing. So there's like official Toby member, 100% adorable, cool club, dreamer, and then the polka dot one with a fun gradient. Now this one would also be good for journal covers, and you can also cut out the images for embellishments. And this is great because it has every color in the collection. Okay, so my favorite part of any paper collection are the embellishments or elements. So for this one, we have the official Toby member badge. Now these are great for rosettes. So, for example, you can have a rosette. Place this cutie in the middle. And of course, you can get more creative than that and add like trim and, you know, like rolled up thread. Maybe layer some things on top of it. Hearts, perfect for layering. We had the paw print one up, so it's like, yeah. So, and then we have the bingo card. You know, I love including bingo cards in all my collections. Tickets, which is on the next page. Now, if you're wondering, how do I cut out the middle? You just use a hole punch. Just use a hole punch right here and in the middle and on the side. And don't worry if you don't have a cutting machine. I cut all of these out by hand. I always try to make sure all of my elements are easy to cut out. So I cut all of them out by hand, and it didn't take very long at all because most of them are very simple shapes. And then around the cats, I made sure to include a colorful border. I think it looks really nice on different paper. I don't really like having a white border around images, and it's really hard to cut next to an image if it's just a little tiny line. So this makes it super easy to cut out. And like I said, it has the cute, colorful border. Alright, and then there are lots of tickets. I almost said tuckets. Tickets. So we have these two, and I made sure that they're next to each other like this. You can either use them single or together, and if you use them together, you can fold them like this, and they're perfect for the top of your page. So if you're making a little flip book or journal, you can have them on top, and then you just flip over the page, and it's the right way. And I also did that for the today. So you can just fold that in half, and those would look cute on the side of your page. Okay, and then for this one, you can cut it in half for, like, if you have a scrapbook layout and you just want to have a little something at the top or on the side, just cut it in half, or you can use it as a full embellishment. I just dropped my little mousey. And then these can be cute cut out individually or as one big piece. And I try to include lots of things for layering, or, you know, if you're doing like little cards. For example, like this one, or this one, you can put like this on here, and you can put currently, and then you can write it on the side. And then for the love, there's love. I think I have two loves, and I think cute. You can either leave them like this, or you can cut them out and then put foam tape underneath it, and that'll give it some fun dimension. So for example, this would be really awesome if you cut them out and do that method and put it on the flat rosette. Yes. I love rosettes made out of paper when they're all dimensional, but it just doesn't work very well for scrapbook layouts because you want to keep your album pages just kind of somewhat flat so you can get as much real estate in your scrapbook layout. So I included two flat rosettes. Alright, so if you're wondering, this will be in a digital kit, and for the first time ever, I'm actually offering a actual kit that I can ship to your house. So I'll include all the papers. So you have the elements, 2 pages of those, 18 pocket letter cards, 7 full sheets of pattern paper, and 18 3x4 cards. And then for the kit, the physical kit, I'm also including my favorite trim. Right now, it's super soft, and it'll look really cute behind, like, for example, Like you can glue it behind one of these, like this. Or, you know, you can get more creative than that. And then these micro tassels. These are actually kind of hard to make, the little ones. And the little jump ring's only 4 millimeters. So we have some of those, and it's wrapped with silver thread. And a beautiful library pocket. We have sewn details. We have some tulle in the background, some ribbon, another piece of ribbon, a little crepe paper rosette with tulle on top of it, a glitter star, and some thread, and lots of elements on it. And it works perfectly with the little paw print library card. We have the matching crepe paper rosettes with the glitter tulle. We have 6 of those, lavender, yellow, and pink. I love the pink ones. They're super cute. And there'll be some other things included, but those are going to be mystery items. Except there is one more thing. I don't have it with me, but I'll go get an example. Hold on. Alright, here's the other thing that I'm going to include. This isn't the mystery item. The mystery item's a mystery. But I don't have these made yet, but these are also going to be included. It's either going to be the official Toe Bean member one, or you might get the Cool Club one, just depending on which kit you get. It'll be a surprise. And these are 1 1/4 inches. So I actually make these, and you can put them on your bag, or if you have like a planner that's soft, you can also pin it on there. So yeah, that is my Caturday kit. It's kind of hard to say Caturday kit. So yeah, if you want me to, and if you just want to chill for a second, I'll just kind of flip through some more of the embellishments. I'll just take this and I'll flip it over, and I'll go through them. This one, like I said, you can cut that one in half. Another, a candy heart, a little cat. See the little colorful background of the cat? It makes it really stand out on the white paper. Flower, another flower. These are great for layering. Another kitty. The flat paper rosettes. Bird. Another kitty. Dreamer. Name of the kit, Caturday. Yeah, mixed cassette tape. I think that one's really cute. You Are Perfect. Favorite. Best day ever. So much fun. Another candy heart that says cutie. Mwah. Like I said earlier, you can cut these out as individual letters or use it as a whole. A meow banner. The little bingo pieces. The other one somewhere in my stash. Hello, beautiful. This would be kind of cute with the kitty cat, and you could be saying it. It's like, hey. Another heart, 100% adorable. Yay, feed me, because what cat isn't a little diva and wants his food bowl filled to the top? Or, like I said, if you don't have cats, I don't know if I mentioned this because I had to film it more than once. If you don't even have cats, you can actually use this collection. Like if you like cats, but you were like, how am I supposed to use Feed Me? You know, if you're like me, I use like goofy pictures, and you can put this on there and be like, feed me, and be like starving, you know, a starving picture, like, I'm so hungry. You can have like a picture of a pizza or something. I don't know, maybe I'm the only person that takes pictures with my food. A banner, And then some more layering pieces. I love these. They come in all the colors except for yellow. Yeah, I tried to fill up the cut apart sheet completely full. I didn't want to waste any of the paper, so I tried to fill it completely full. This one, and then like, I love these tickets. Another cute. These. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this kit because I love it, and there'll be lots of tutorials coming out soon with it. There'll be like the pocket letter one, of course, and some more snail mail and some embellishments. So yeah, a lot of fun things are coming. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and toodles!